Hey everybody, we've got a 1983 Chevrolet Silverado, two-family owned. Grandfather bought it new. The son bought it from him after the grandfather passed away. And then the last owners had it for 17 years. It's a real 89,000 mile truck. This is the original interior. Not restored. 89,520. Truck just fires right up. AC blows ice cold. Original AM, FM cassette player. True short wide with build sheet. Describe this truck as near pristine is understatement. Unbelievably nice truck. Look at that paint under this rubber mat. This is a very, very, very nice truck. Sold new in Martin, Texas and CC Jones. That is the original tailgate ribbon, original bumper. I believe it's probably been painted at one point. Got brand new Cooper tires. Watch how this door shuts. Just super nice. Come see us at redlinemusclecars.com.